woke up together and shared small dreams. They talked about the future in simple words. The man promised to protect the family. The woman promised to care for the home. Life felt easy then. Even problems felt small. When they argued, they solved it with calm words. Love lived in their eyes. Trust lived in their hearts. Every morning felt new. Every night felt safe. Time moved slowly and kindly. They believed this happiness would never end. They believed marriage was strong forever. They did not know that silence can grow quietly. They did not know that love needs daily care. As time passed, life became busy. The man worked longer hours. The woman stayed alone at home more often. They still lived together, but their talks became short. The man came home tired. The woman waited with many thoughts. She wanted to share her day. He wanted to rest. Slowly, words became fewer. Smiles became rare. They started to eat without talking. They started to sleep without holding hands. Love was still there, but it was weak. Neither noticed the change clearly. They thought it was normal. They thought time would fix everything. The woman felt lonely. She missed his attention. She missed feeling important. She tried to speak, but he looked busy. She stopped trying after some time. She felt invisible. Her heart felt heavy every day. She cried quietly at night. She did not want to fight. She wanted peace. But peace without love felt empty. She asked herself many questions. She wondered if she did something wrong. She wondered if she was not enough. Her confidence slowly broke. The man also felt pressure. Work filled his mind. He thought providing money was enough. He did not understand her silence. He thought she was fine. He did not see her tears. He did not hear her pain. He avoided deep talks. He avoided emotions. He believed strong men stay quiet. Inside, he also felt empty. But he did not know how to say it. Small fights began. They fought over small things. Food, time, words. Each fight left a mark. Old love turned into quiet anger. They stopped saying sorry. They stopped listening. Their home felt cold. The walls felt heavy. The air felt tight. Both felt trapped. Both felt hurt. Still, they stayed silent. One day, a bigger fight happened. Words became sharp. Voices became loud. Pain came out in anger. The woman cried loudly. The man shouted back. Years of silence broke in minutes. After the fight, nothing felt the same. The woman packed a bag. Her hands shook. Her heart was scared. She left the house quietly. The door closed softly, but the sound stayed forever. The woman went to stay with her sister. She felt broken but free. She slept and cried. She thought about her life. She remembered her dreams. She remembered her strength. Slowly, she felt better. She learned to listen to herself. She learned she deserved respect. Pain was still there, but hope returned. The man stayed alone. The house felt empty. Silence was louder than noise. He noticed her absence. He noticed the quiet kitchen. He noticed his mistakes. Regret entered his heart. He understood his silence hurt her. He felt lonely. He missed her deeply. Days passed. Both changed slowly. The woman became stronger. The man became softer. One day, he called her. His voice was calm. He said sorry. He spoke honestly. She listened carefully. She did not rush. She needed time. They met again after many weeks. They sat quietly. They talked slowly. No blame. No shouting. Just truth. Tears fell freely. Pain was shared. Understanding began. They decided to try again. Slowly and carefully. They learned love needs effort. They learned silence can break hearts. Their marriage was broken, but not finished. Healing started with honest words. They went home together. The house felt different. Still quiet, but warmer. They talked more. They listened more. They tried every day. Mistakes still happened. But now they spoke. They did not hide feelings. They learned patience. They learned care. Love returned slowly. Not loud, but real. Trust grew again. Their marriage was once broken. But they chose healing. And that choice changed everything.